Hey guys, so I'm going to be making a quick short video talking about glycolysis. I'm mainly going to be targeting just the first two steps, just because glycolysis has 9 distinct reactions, and if I were to talk about every single one of them, this video would be fairly long. But I will give you guys a mini overview of what glycolysis is, so hopefully by the end of this video, you guys will have a better understanding of at least the first two steps and an idea of glycolysis. And before I get started, I apologize ahead of time if you guys see me looking down a lot. I do have some note cards in front of me to kind of help guide me through this video and make sure that I target each key points for you guys. So let's get started. What is glycolysis? Glycolysis is basically this whole conversion of glucose converting into pyruvate. And during this whole process, ATP is being used and produced, and ATP is energy. So the first step of glycolysis is phosphorylation of glucose. But before I get into phosphorylation, let's define what glucose is. Glucose is a simple sugar, a 6-carbon molecule found in our blood, resulting in the breakdown of carbohydrates in sugar. So the first step, glucose goes through phosphorylation, which means phosphate is being added to this molecule. To kind of initiate this process, an enzyme called hexokinase, hopefully I didn't butcher that, catalyzes the phosphorylation of glucose, resulting in a molecule called glucose 6-phosphate. So that's basically the first step. The second step, glucose 6-phosphate converts into fructose 6-phosphate. And how this process works, so basically the reaction goes through this rearrangement of oxygen and carbon, transforming a 6-member ring to a 5-member ring. And the enzyme that kind of helps through this process is phosphoglucose isomerase. So basically that is the second step of glycolysis. And you know, glycolysis is important because it is the main fuel for our cells. It's, basically for repair of the cell, of the tissue, etc. Hopefully you guys have a better understanding of the first two steps and just a mini overview of what glycolysis is. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!